Hello, how are you doing? This is Rick McConnell, your clear-minded coach. There's going to be a little background wind going on, so just be ready for that. Wanted to touch base and say hello from Palos Verdes, California on July 1st, 2012. Up here on one of the bluffs, checking out the sailboats behind me, some fishing boats down below. Just enjoying a beautiful Sunday here on the West Coast. As we all know, having a clear mind, we make clear choices. Getting nature, recharging, enjoying the ocean, all great recipes for having a clear mind.